Ah, way they go. Mother of honor from the outside, rushing up Jobel success. Down on the inside, irresistible flying eyes is racing, also moving up his skin. Possible. It's now Jobel success. Mother of honor down on the inside, irresistible is racing in third by some two lines skin. Possible is racing in fourth and moving up by the rail. Also rushing up RGA Barefoot Contest of Prying Eyes, Winking Eye, Famous Girl, and Live in Manila second last. As they round the last 450, Jobel Success still hanging to the half-length lead. Matter of Honor down on the inside, irresistible as they swing for home. Jobel Success by a length and a half, followed by Matter of Honor, and racing in turn is RGA Irresistible, Famous Girl down on the inside, and nearing the finish line, Jobel Success still leading by some 3 lengths, and nearing the finish line from the stable of Mr. Purdy Di Maisip, Jobel Success. Close for second, Prying Eyes, number 10, Famous Girl, Winking Eye.